Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell my car through DUBIZZLE Seller Assist. First thing I want you to do, once you're on DUBIZZLE.com, hover over here, you see Motors, and then click here on Sell My Car. And they give you different options. So if you scroll down here, there is the Let DUBIZZLE Sell Your Car. Basically, click here to sell it for me, right? And then we have these other ones. What we're interested in is this one. Click on Sell It For Me, and then all you need to do here is pick your city. So here we'll go ahead and pick Abu Dhabi. Click here on Yalla, and then we need to go ahead and scroll down here, right? So there we go. Emirate is Abu Dhabi, make or model. So we'll come here, enter details about our vehicle. Mine is a Cadillac CTS. For the trim, it is a V model. So there you go, V series. And then you can choose your regional specs. If you have a GCC, it's much easier for you to sell because it is a Gulf specification. It can basically last the harsh climate conditions for the Gulf region. So if we come back here, we can enter the year. Mine is a 2005. Here we go. Kilometers. We need to fill this one in. Mine is 147,000 kilometers. Body type. This one is a sedan. Is it insured in the UAE? Yes or no? So I will say yes. And then you can enter the price in dirhams. I'll do 35,000. And then you enter your phone number and click on next. There we go. There's our number. And then it will actually take us here where we have a listing summary. So you can see, you can go ahead and enter your title, a 360 tour URL. This is optional, but I'll go ahead and use this one as my title, and I'll have a description. So here is our description as well, and our title. And the description, try to be as detailed as possible. Any features you have, include that. If you have any issues with the car, be straightforward, be transparent. That goes a long way. So here, as you can see, a very brief description. We're asking them to contact for more information if they want to ask anything. Fuel type, petrol. Exterior color, we'll come here, do maroon. Interior color, we'll do beige. Warranty, is there warranty? Yes. Can choose a number of doors as well. And these ones are must. Whatever you see with asterisks, you need to fill those in. These are optional. As you can see, you can choose the horsepower as well, and then proceed further. So there we go. We're basically done with this part. Can click here on next again, and you need photos. So go ahead and click here to add pictures. Let's come back here. Let's get our car. We'll go ahead and just highlight all of these. Click on open, and they're now being uploaded. And after they're done being uploaded, you can choose which one to be the main photo to go ahead and catch the attention of the potential clients. So you can have this one as the main photo, right? You can leave that to be the main one. And if you want anyone else to be the main one, you just drag it at the top there. That will be the main photo. We'll come here, click on next. And now you can decide to either go for any of their packages right here, as you can see, or you can go for the free version. You can post a free ad. It will be live for 30 days and you have a refresh once that basically takes your ad back to the top. So I'll click on post free ad, and this is just the checkout. You can see finally what it would look like. If you want it to stand out, there's some unique badges you can get. This is an extra amount, completely optional. There's a discount code section you can enter there and apply. I'll click on pay. There you go, 0 dirhams. And once you click on pay, as you can see, the ad will be under review, and once it has been reviewed, it will go live. So you can click here on continue. As you can see, it is now under review. But that is how to sell my car through DUBIZZLE Seller Assist.